Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your PIN on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu and you want to search for settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side underneath privacy and security, select lock screen and sign in. And then you might have to enter in your computer password. And there should be an option underneath sign in options to set up a PIN. Go ahead and select set up and then type in that PIN. It has to be at least 6 digits. And then you just would select continue and then follow along with the on-screen prompts here. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.